Centres of mass. So far we've considered uniform rods. For a uniform rod, the centre of mass is at the midpoint. So if we had a plank 6 meters long with a mass of 40 kilograms, then let's say that this is the plank, and the length is 6 meters. With a 40 kilogram mass, the weight would be 40 g newtons, where g is the acceleration due to gravity, which is normally taken as 9.8. That could be considered to act at the midpoint, so 3 meters from this end and of course 3 meters from that end. In this section we're going to look at non-uniform rods. So the centre of mass will not be at the midpoint for a non-uniform rod. So what I've done is I've shown this non-uniform rod being slightly wider at this end. It's still 6 meters long, but now the weight acts at a point over here. And let's just say, for example, that it's 3.8 meters from this end. So it's further from this end than it is from this end, and therefore not at the midpoint.